Let's see some more examples. Suppose A builds up a wall in 8 days. A builds a wall and B destroy in 9 days. And they work on alternate days and started by A. Started by A and work on alternate days. Fine. How many days will be required to complete the task, complete the job? C. Again take the same LCM. LCM is 72. What about the rates? Rate will be 9 and rates will be 8 for B. Now they work on alternate days. It means first A will perform the work. A will do 9 amount of work. B will do 8 amount of work. Again number of A will do. Again after that B will do. They will run until the work 72 is completed. Fine. The same logic. Last day A will perform the work. Last day, because A is building the wall. So finally we will complete the work. Last day will be done by A. Now A will perform a work of 9. A will perform a work of 9. The B destroys the wall, it means minus of 8. 9 performs by 8, that is plus. Now last day work of A will be 9. So remaining left. What about the left work? Left work will be 72 minus 9. That is 72 minus, that is 63. Now 63 work is left, and that will be done in which manner? In alternative manner. Alternative manner means, fine. On each 2 day, on every 2 days, how much amount of work is getting done? That is 1. How? 9 minus 8. This will give you 1. So 1 amount of work is getting done in 2 days. So how much the work is left? 63. So 63 amount of work will be done in just twice of that, 126 days. So in total they will be required 126 days plus the 1 day work of A, that is 127 days in total. टोटल 127 दिन लगेंगे A और B अगर इसी फंक्शन को काम इसी वैल्यू के अंदर वो काम करते हैं. नाउ सी सम मोर एग्जांपल्स. These are the examples when only 2 persons are involving. Now see some examples where 2 or more persons are getting involved. Now see, A performs a work in 6 days, B performs the same work in 8 days, and C performs the same work in 12 days. These are days. Fine. If they work on alternate days, started by A. Then in how many days this work will be completed? Fine. Since they work together, A, B, C, like initially they will work A will perform the work, then B will perform, then C will perform, again A will come because started by A in the same manner. But they work on alternate days. Now, just an example. Take the LCM of all these. What about the LCM? LCM will come with 24. What about the rates? 24 work. What about the rates? 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24. That is, the rates of A, B and C are 4, 3 and 2. Now they work on alternate days. Alternate means A will perform a work of 4 units, B will perform a 3 units, C will perform a unit of 2 works. So almost on every 3 days, amount of work is getting 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9. 9 amount of work getting done in 3 days. Now how much work we have? Work we have almost 24 work. So almost 24 divided by 9. Just approx 24 divided by 9, that will be equal to 18. 18, 9 to the 18 plus how much amount of work is left? 6 work is left. 18 work plus 6 work. Now this 18 work will be done in the manner of this. Alternate days, it means 9 to the 18, so it will require of 6 days to finish 18 amount of work. Now what about the remaining work? The remaining work is 6. Now after the 7th day, after the 6th day, 7th day will come. Now on 7th day, who will perform? The performance will be done by A. Now A will do the work of 4. What about the left work? 6 work is left. 4 is getting done by A. Now what about the 8th day? 8th day will come. And who will do the work? Work will be done by B. And B will do the work. How many work? 2 work left. With the rate of 3. With the rate of 3, it means total days will be these 6 days plus 1 day performed by who? A, plus the 2 by 3 days. 2 by 3 days which has to be taken account on behalf of B. So the total solution will be 7 is to 2 by 3 days. This is your answer.